Hello everyone, this is my first video and I'm out here at Lake Texoma shooting a video of my first Insta360 video. I've got my camera on a 360 selfie stick and just gonna shoot some video to see what you think about it. A little bit windy out here today on Lake Texoma. This is the most water we've had in 2 or 3 years in Lake Texoma, and we've had lots of rains around Marietta, and I've got you hooked up on my selfie stick, and I'm just gonna give you an idea. I'm sitting here overlooking the water, as you can see. Lots of pretty purple flowers. Right here overlooking a cliff. You can see the cliff there. Got a guy over here unloading his boat. Pulls out, down. Windy, if you can hear the wind noise up there. Morning.
How are you, sir?
Oh, I've got me a new camera. I'm filming.
Oh, yeah?
It's one of those 360 cameras. You can film in every direction at once.
I'll be dang.
And I saw you. I thought, I'm going to go over and see if you don't mind me filming you.
No, sir. No, absolutely.
I've got a YouTube channel.
I'd love to have a film of it.
A what?
My new boat. I'm having a new one built.
Oh, yeah? What's your name? I'm Brandon.
Austin Bell.
Austin Bell. I'm Brandon McMillan.
Oh, yeah.
I got a YouTube channel. It's Doing USA, like my hat.
Oh,
and
okay.
but anyway, we've been out fishing too. You ever been catching any?
Hadn't even been.
Really?
I'm having Scott and Bodie Stoker up there at Overbrook.
Oh yeah.
They're building me a new boat with a 300 jet on it.
Oh, that's awesome.
So
well, we went out Monday and we caught 53.
Catfish?
Catfish and stripers.
Really?
We caught a bunch of little stripers and we were using them as bait for the catfish. We did some drift fishing and some jug lining.
Okay,
so.
yeah.
But anyway,
That's
yeah,
good,
I literally just unpackaged this thing last night and I thought I'm gonna go out and see if I can't just get some of hickory and
yeah.
And I went over there and got off the point and all that, but sort of anxious to see how this thing is going to work.
Well, shoot, you car to get in and go with me.
I wish I had time. Well, where are you going? Can you get? I guess you can get out right now with the water up.
Yeah, you can get out into the river. You can run up Thomas Creek right now and get out.
Oh, really?
I'm just gonna go up in the creek. Go. I got one real good memory of my grandpa on my mom's side.
Yeah.
And it was right here in Hickory Creek.
Really?
And that I don't know why. I've just got a love for Hickory Creek, and put me a few beers in the ice chest and go for a ride and see how far I can go.
I just live a mile over here.
Yeah.
And we come out here, but this is the first time in a year or so that I'd even want to get my boat out here. Yeah. You know.
Well, I hadn't had a boat in a year. This is Dad's. I told him, I said, we got to run yours because I want to go to the river this week and go fishing.
Right.
It's been Scott and Bodie been working on mine for 11 months now, and I don't know why in the world it's taking so long, but
yeah, it's just, well, they probably got a lot of people trying to get repairs as they go. Yeah, if they're doing aluminum welding.
They are, but
that's what we were doing for Blackbeard over here, Cortland and me, and we gave it up about 7 months ago, and he went preaching.
Is that right?
Yeah. And but anyway, no, we were doing about 200 boats a year, just not building them, but just repairing
working on them.
We did all Blackbeard's aluminum welding. So
well, I know Scott and Bodie, they stay hooked up.
Right.
You would think I'd take priority over all that after I've paid them as much as I have, and paid them in full, anyways.
Well, that's gonna be a good one.
Yeah, it's a
300 jet, huh?
19 long, 66 wide.
Wow.
With a T-top and a poling platform and a 300 Mercury jet.
That's gonna be a sweet boat.
It's a sweet ride for sure. You talk about anxious.
Yeah.
I am extremely anxious.
Well, we went out at Willis and came up the lake to Fob Bottom.
Yeah.
And after you get just a little bit past Fob, it gets so brushy with all the debris.
Yeah.
And we just had to sort of pick our way through there without ruining a prop.
Yeah. Yeah.
But anyway,
I can imagine.
Well, I'll let you get going.
All right,
I'll get you going. Hey, check out my YouTube channel, Doing
sure
USA. I'll put you on there.
Yeah, I absolutely will. I'll look at that here in just a little bit.
It may be a week before I can figure out how to edit this stuff.
Well, good to see you, bud.
Hey, you too. You be careful.
Yes, sir.
That looks like a stout little boat.
Dad's had this boat since 97.
Wow.
And he has put it through the ringer and back.
Oh, it
needs a little bit bigger motor, but it does all right.
Oh yeah, this right here would be plenty for what you're about to go do. Be careful out there.
Yes, sir.
Watch that wind. Up the river. Well, that was actually a relative of mine, and he's going up the river doing a little reminiscing, a little fishing. Nothing like that on Hickory. Got lots of good memories out here with my uncle and my family. Now I'm making memories with my boys and with my friends, and we're just trying to leave some legacy behind. Guys, thanks for watching our Insta360 first video footage. You can see us on Doing USA, and guys, get out there, just get Doing USA.